Hi guys, in front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Here find and select display, and now click on advanced. Pick wallpaper then, and here you can choose something from your own gallery by tapping on photos or one from default wallpapers, and let me choose some on-device wallpaper. Here you can check how each wallpaper look, and then whenever you pick the preferred one, all you have to do is to mark confirmation mark. Then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will choose both, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.